Hello there, boys and girls, or cats and dogs, or parakeets, hamsters, goldfish, whoever happens to be watching. My name is Rich Richards, and welcome to my Heavenly Rewards game show. The game show where you can win prizes that moth and varmin can never destroy, where thieves can never come in and steal. That's right, we're talking Heavenly Rewards. Today's show is sponsored by Bible Bits, the candy that takes a bite out of sin, one verse at a time. Our contestants have been randomly selected from thousands of email applicants. Are you ready to meet them? I sure am. Let's meet our first contestant.
Oh man, I'm so glad to be here. I am so totally gonna win. I so totally deserve eternal rewards.
And how you doing there?
I'm doing great.
And what is your name?
Oh, my name is Stan. By the way, did you check out my blog, mygooddeeds.blogsphere.com?
Yeah, we read your blog.
Hey, did you get all the attachments to my email? I sent you pictures of all my good deeds.
Yeah, we did get those. The show hasn't started yet. We still have to meet the other contestant.
Well, you don't really need to bother because I'm so totally gonna win.
Yeah, great attitude. Okay, let's meet our other contestant.
Oh wow! Oh, this is so awesome! Oh, it's so pretty! Oh, I love the lights! Oh, hello there, sir!
And how you doing there?
Oh, I'm doing wonderful!
And what is your name?
Well, my name is Molly, but I think there's a mistake.
Yeah, there's definitely a mistake. They're making me compete against a little girl.
No. Man, the mistake is that I emailed, but I nominated my sister.
Yes, we're quite aware that you nominated your sister, and we'll get to that in a little bit.
Because my sister, she's so nice. She does so many wonderful things for me, and my brother, and my mom and dad. She really deserves the rewards, not me.
Well, we're going to get to that. First, we have to discuss the theme of today's show. So if you would direct your attention to the monitor, I will show you what today's theme is. As you can see, today's theme is humility.
Oh, that is great news, because I'm like the most humblest guy you have ever met. Haha.
And do you guys know what humility means?
I think it means not to think too highly of yourself.
That is an excellent answer, Molly. What do you think humility means?
Oh man, you want to know what humility means? All you gotta do is look it up in a dictionary, and you'll see a picture of me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I could totally write the book on humility.
Really?
Oh yeah, I mean, it would be a thick book too, probably like 500 plus pages. I mean, to record all the incredible, amazing things I've done. I mean, volunteering, helping people, I mean, giving generously. I mean, it's actually quite incredible that I'm as humble as I am, considering all the amazing things I've done. I mean, it is really hard to be humble when you're as awesome as I am. I mean, oh man, the eternal rewards that I am gonna win someday, I mean, it's like off the charts.
Well, thank you for sharing. And Molly, what about you?
Well, like I was saying, it's really quite a mistake that I'm here because it's really my sister I was trying to explain who I think should be on the show.
Well, we did get your email, and we did contact your sister. In fact, she told us just how humble you are. In fact, it was really nice of you to nominate your sister, but it's no mistake that you're here. In fact, we decided that we wanted you here after we heard all the wonderful things that you do for your brother and for your sister and for your mom and your dad, and yet you never want to get any credit for it yourself. That is what humility is.
Oh, you're much too kind, sir.
And Stan, I've got a little verse I want to share with you.
Oh, Bible verse? Oh yeah, I love Bible verses, man. I've gotten so many stars and stickers at church from all the verses that I've memorized. That just adds to my humility.
Well, let me share this one with you. It goes like this. In Matthew chapter 23, verse 12, it says, "For those who exalt themselves will be humbled, and those who humble themselves will be exalted."
I don't really get that.
Well, Stan, you've been kind of exalting yourself here, talking about all the great things you've done, the book you would write, that blog you did, that's all about exalting you. And it says that people who do that will be humbled.
I already am humble.
Well, you're going to be humbled a little bit more because we've decided that our winner is going to be none other than Molly right here.
Oh, I can't believe it. I'm the winner.
Yes, you are. Congratulations. Molly, you are the winner. Here on my Heavenly Rewards game show, you have won.
Oh my goodness, That's so exciting. I can't wait to tell my sister. That's so cool.
Oh, man. Yo, Jeff, this is not right, man. Ah.
Well, there goes Stan. Well, congratulations.
Oh, this is so nice, and oh, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. It's so kind of you.
Well, it's so kind of you, all the things you've done, and the way you've done them with such humility. And this means you get to move on to the next phase, and we'll see you next time here on My Heavenly Rewards.
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Rich, sir.
That's right, Rich Richards is my name, and I am indeed rich. But I'm not rich with money, I'm rich in eternal rewards. Because when you live for God and please Him, He delights in giving rewards to His children. So, until next time, I will see you again on My Heavenly Reward.